So we're over here in the Ammonoosuc rail trail system. It starts over in Littleton. This parking area right here is kind of near Harbor Freight. There used to be a big honking Littleton coin sign, so it was easy to find at the entrance, but that sign's no longer there. So we're gonna head out on the trail and we'll take some video along the way. There's some pretty cool things that you can see along this trail system. So to give you an idea of the parking area, there's a lot of room to park, unlike some of the other areas we head out of. But it's usually pretty easy to unload and load in here. It's usually not too packed, and you know, it's an old rail trail system, but it's nice. It goes along the river, and there's some pretty cool stuff to see as you're heading out. So that's the Littleton trail system. Just a quick, blast down. We wanted to show you some things along the way. You don't want to ruin everything for you. It can get a little dusty out there, as you can see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.